Hi there, nature explorers. Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts, the show where we journey into the wonderful world of amazing animals and discover some of the most incredible creatures on our planet. I'm your host, Daisy, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me on another fantastic adventure into the animal kingdom. Today's episode is about one of the most spectacular and fastest animals on Earth. They're incredible runners that can go from 0 to top speed faster than a race car. They have amazing spotted coats that help them blend into their grassland homes, and they're some of the most graceful hunters in all of Africa. These magnificent big cats are built for speed like no other animal on our planet and have been amazing people with their incredible abilities for thousands of years. Can you guess what they are? That's right, cheetahs! So grab your safari hat, put on your explorer's vest, and get ready for an incredible African adventure. We're heading to the vast grasslands and savannas to explore the amazing life of cheetahs, where lightning-fast speed meets incredible hunting skills, and every day is full of thrilling discoveries. Let's step into the African wilderness and begin our learning journey. Cheetahs are some of the most extraordinary and specialized big cats in the entire world. And they're absolutely amazing when you learn about their incredible speed adaptations and remarkable hunting abilities. These spectacular animals are much more impressive than many people realize and are some of the most unique predators on our entire planet. Wild cheetahs are absolutely beautiful creatures that can grow up to 4 feet long, not including their tail, and weigh between 75 to 140 pounds. Adult cheetahs are much lighter and more slender than other big cats, with long, lean bodies that are perfectly designed for incredible speed. What makes cheetahs extra special is their incredible combination of speed, agility, keen eyesight, and amazing acceleration that makes them perfectly adapted to life hunting on the open grasslands and savannas of Africa. They have everything they need to be successful hunters, from powerful leg muscles to flexible spines and specialized paws. Adult cheetahs have gorgeous gold and yellow coats covered in solid black spots that help them blend in perfectly with the tall grasses and dappled shadows of their African savanna homes. Each cheetah has a completely unique spot pattern, just like human fingerprints. The most famous feature of cheetahs is definitely their incredible speed that makes them the fastest land animal in the world. These amazing cats can run at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, which is faster than cars drive on most highways. Cheetahs have distinctive black lines that run from the corners of their eyes down to their mouths, called tear marks. These special markings help reduce glare from the bright African sun and make it easier for them to spot prey during daytime hunting. The long tail of a cheetah works like a rudder on a boat, helping them make sharp turns and stay balanced while running at incredible speeds. Their tail can be over 2 feet long and is essential for their amazing hunting success. Cheetahs have large, round eyes that are positioned forward on their heads, giving them excellent depth perception for judging distances when they're chasing prey. Their excellent eyesight can spot moving animals from over 3 miles away. The powerful legs of cheetahs are perfectly designed for running with incredible speed and acceleration. These amazing legs allow cheetahs to take strides that are over 20 feet long when running at full speed. Cheetahs live in some of the most beautiful and expansive grassland environments in Africa, and these incredible big cats can be found in savannas, grasslands, and semi-desert areas across eastern and southern Africa. These amazing animals love open habitats where they can use their incredible speed to chase prey across long distances. Wide grasslands and savannas give them the perfect hunting grounds where they can see prey from far away and have room to run. Wild cheetahs prefer areas with scattered trees and bushes that provide shade during hot days and places to rest between hunts. These mixed habitats give them the perfect combination of open hunting areas and comfortable resting spots. Many cheetahs live in areas near watering holes and rivers where many different types of prey animals come to drink. These water sources attract gazelles, impalas, and other animals that cheetahs love to hunt. Cheetahs are incredible habitat specialists who need large territories with plenty of prey animals and minimal competition from larger predators like lions and leopards. They do best in areas where they can hunt without interference from stronger big cats. The environments where cheetahs live can be very challenging, with extreme temperatures, seasonal droughts, and changing prey availability throughout the year. These adaptable cats have learned to survive in these demanding conditions. These amazing animals prefer relatively flat terrain where they can use their speed advantage most effectively. Hills and dense forests make it harder for cheetahs to catch prey, so they stick to areas where they can run freely. Wild cheetahs need territories that can be over 300 square miles in size because prey animals are often spread out across large areas. Having enough space to hunt successfully is crucial for cheetah survival. Cheetahs have some of the most amazing and specialized features of any big cat, and every part of their incredible body is perfectly designed for speed, hunting, and survival in the challenging African grasslands. The most incredible thing about cheetahs is definitely their amazing body design that makes them the ultimate speed machine. Their lightweight bones, flexible spine, and powerful leg muscles all work together to create the fastest land animal on Earth. Cheetahs have incredible acceleration that lets them go from standing still to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This amazing acceleration is faster than most sports cars and helps them catch prey that tries to escape. These amazing animals have special paws that work like built-in running shoes. Their paws have hard pads and semi-retractable claws that provide excellent traction on grass and dirt, just like cleats on athletic shoes. Wild cheetahs have an enlarged heart and lungs that pump extra oxygen to their muscles during high-speed chases. This special cardiovascular system gives them the energy they need for their incredible bursts of speed. The flexible spine of a cheetah works like a spring, stretching and compressing with each stride to help them cover more ground with every step. This spine flexibility is a major part of what makes them so incredibly fast. Cheetahs have amazing lightweight bones that are much more slender than other big cats. These hollow bones help reduce their weight while still being strong enough to handle the stresses of high-speed running. These incredible animals also have special nostrils that are larger than other cats, allowing them to take in more air during intense chases when they need extra oxygen for their working muscles. The long legs of cheetahs are perfectly proportioned for speed. With longer hind legs that provide powerful propulsion and front legs that help them maintain balance and steering control while running. Cheetahs are incredible hunters who use a combination of amazing speed, excellent eyesight, and smart hunting strategies to catch prey on the challenging African grasslands. Cheetahs are primarily daytime hunters who do most of their hunting during the cooler morning and evening hours when they can see clearly, but before it gets too hot for intense physical activity. These amazing big cats are ambush predators who use their excellent camouflage to get as close as possible to prey before starting their incredible high-speed chase. They prefer to hunt alone rather than in groups. Wild cheetahs have incredible patience and will spend long periods watching and stalking prey animals, waiting for the perfect moment when their target is in an open area where speed will give them the best advantage. When cheetahs hunt, they can only maintain their top speed for about 30 seconds before they become too exhausted to continue. This means they have to catch their prey quickly or give up the chase to avoid overheating. These spectacular hunters prefer to target medium-sized prey animals like gazelles, impalas, and young antelopes that are fast, but not too large or dangerous to handle safely. Cheetahs use a special hunting technique where they trip their prey by hitting the animal's back legs while running, causing it to tumble so the cheetah can quickly grab it with their teeth. After catching prey, Cheetahs need to rest for 15 to 30 minutes to recover from their intense chase before they can eat. During this recovery time, they're vulnerable to having their food stolen by stronger predators. Young cheetahs learn hunting skills by watching their mother and practicing with her for many months. Learning to hunt successfully takes lots of practice and patience for young cheetahs. Cheetahs are incredible communicators who use a variety of sounds, body language, and scent marking to stay connected with other cheetahs and survive in their grassland homes. Cheetahs make soft chirping sounds that are more like bird calls than typical cat sounds. These gentle chirps help cheetah families stay in contact with each other across the open grasslands. When cheetahs are happy or greeting each other, they make a special sound called purring that's much louder than house cat purring. Adult cheetahs can purr so loudly that people can hear it from 150 feet away. Female cheetahs make gentle clicking sounds to communicate with their babies, called cubs. These soft calls help keep cheetah families together while they're moving across their large territories. When cheetahs are alarmed or warning about danger, they make sharp barking sounds that alert other cheetahs in the area. These alarm calls are very different from the roars that lions and leopards make. Young cheetahs make high-pitched chirping sounds when they're calling for their mothers or when they're excited about something. These urgent calls help cubs stay close to their families in the vast grasslands. Cheetahs also communicate through body language, using their ears, tail, and posture to send messages to other cheetahs. A relaxed cheetah has a very different posture than an alert cheetah that's watching for danger or prey. When cheetahs rub their cheeks against trees and rocks, they're leaving scent messages for other cheetahs who might pass by later. These scent marks help cheetahs avoid conflicts and find mates. Male cheetahs sometimes form small groups called coalitions and use special vocalizations to coordinate their activities and maintain their friendships throughout their lives. Cheetahs are incredible carnivores with some of the most specialized and efficient feeding habits of any African predator. And these amazing big cats have developed strategies that help them get the nutrition they need in challenging environments. Wild cheetahs are fantastic hunters who primarily eat medium-sized antelopes like gazelles, impalas, springboks, and young wildebeest. They prefer prey animals that are fast, but not too large or dangerous to handle. These amazing animals are incredibly efficient eaters who can consume their entire meal very quickly to avoid having it stolen by stronger predators like lions, leopards, and hyenas who often try to take food from cheetahs. During the dry season, when water is scarce, cheetahs get most of their water from the blood and body fluids of their prey animals. This adaptation helps them survive in areas where water sources might be far apart. Wild cheetahs typically eat about 6 to 8 pounds of meat per day when they make a successful kill, but they can go several days without eating if hunting is unsuccessful. Their efficient metabolism helps them survive periods without food. Mother cheetahs are incredibly dedicated providers who do all the hunting for their cubs until they're old enough to hunt successfully on their own. This means mother cheetahs have to catch extra prey to feed their growing families. Young cheetahs learn what foods are safe and how to hunt by watching their mother very carefully and practicing hunting techniques on small prey animals like birds and small antelopes. Cheetahs are absolutely incredible athletes who move across the African grasslands with amazing grace, speed, and hunting ability that makes them some of the most impressive predators in all of Africa. These amazing animals can run at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour when they're chasing prey or escaping from danger. This incredible running speed makes them faster than any other land animal on Earth. Wild cheetahs are fantastic at changing direction quickly while running at high speeds. They can make sharp turns and zigzag patterns that help them follow escaping prey animals through the grasslands. When cheetahs need to catch prey, they can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This amazing acceleration helps them catch prey animals before they can build up enough speed to escape. These spectacular animals are also excellent at controlling their speed and can slow down quickly when they need to make precise movements during the final moments of a hunt. Cheetahs are incredibly graceful walkers who can move silently through tall grass when they're stalking prey. They're careful. Quiet movements help them get close to prey animals without being detected. Young cheetahs are naturally athletic and can run and keep up with their mothers when they're just a few months old. This early mobility is important for their survival in areas with many predators. Wild cheetahs are excellent at jumping and can leap over obstacles and make bounds of over 20 feet while running at full speed. This jumping ability helps them navigate rough terrain during hunts. Wild cheetahs have different social structures depending on whether they're male or female. Female cheetahs usually live alone with their cubs, while male cheetahs sometimes form small groups with their brothers or other males. Female cheetahs form incredibly strong bonds with their babies and will protect them fiercely from any danger. Mother cheetahs are very brave and will face much larger predators to defend their cubs from harm. Male cheetahs, who live together in coalitions, are usually brothers from the same litter. And they maintain lifelong friendships that help them defend territories and have better hunting success than so. Littery males. Young cheetahs stay with their mothers for about 18 months, learning essential survival skills like hunting techniques, territory navigation, and predator avoidance before they become independent. Wild cheetahs establish regular patrol routes through their territories that help them monitor their hunting areas, avoid conflicts with other predators, and find the best opportunities to catch prey. Female cheetahs give birth to their babies, called cubs, after a pregnancy that lasts about 3 months. Most cheetah mothers have between 2 to 4 cubs, though sometimes they can have up to 6 babies at once. Newborn cheetah cubs are absolutely adorable, with fluffy gray coats and long silvery hair on their backs called a mantle that makes them look like honey badgers. This disguise helps protect them from predators who might not recognize them as cheetahs. When baby cheetahs are first born, they're completely helpless and can't see or hear for their first 10 days of life. Mother cheetahs move their cubs to new hiding spots frequently to keep them safe from predators. Baby cheetahs grow incredibly quickly and can follow their mother on short walks when they're about 6 weeks old. By 3 months old, they're strong enough to keep up with her as she moves across their territory. Mother cheetahs are incredibly protective of their babies and will move them to new locations if they sense any danger. They choose hiding spots in tall grass, under bushes, or in rocky areas where cubs can stay concealed. Young cheetahs learn everything they need to know about survival by following their mother and copying her behavior. They learn hunting skills, territory boundaries, and predator recognition by watching her constantly. Mother cheetahs teach their cubs how to hunt by bringing them live prey animals to practice on. This hands-on training is essential for young cheetahs to develop the skills they need to survive on their own. These magnificent animals are incredibly important for grassland health because they help control populations of grazing animals like gazelles and antelopes. This natural predation helps prevent overgrazing and maintains healthy plant communities. Wild cheetahs are important indicators of ecosystem health in African savannas. When cheetah populations are stable and healthy, it usually means the grassland ecosystem has good prey populations, adequate space, and minimal human interference. These amazing animals inspire people all around the world to care more about African wildlife conservation and habitat protection. When people learn about cheetahs, they often become more interested in protecting all African animals. Scientists study wild cheetahs to learn more about predator behavior, grassland ecology, and conservation biology. Research on cheetahs has taught us incredible things about how specialized predators adapt to challenging environments. And that's our incredible adventure exploring the amazing world of cheetahs. From their lightning-fast speed and incredible hunting abilities to their important role in African ecosystems and their fascinating family behaviors. Cheetahs show us that specialized animals can be absolutely extraordinary when we take the time to learn about them. Thanks for racing through the magnificent world of cheetahs with us today on Daisy's Animal Facts. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible speedster cats, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for our next adventure into the animal kingdom. And remember, the more we learn about amazing animals like cheetahs, the better we can appreciate and protect these magnificent creatures. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and stay curious. Friends, the African grasslands are full of amazing creatures with incredible adaptations and fascinating lives. And every discovery helps us understand just how wonderful and important wild animals really are.